Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to find audio on YouTube. How to find copyright free music on YouTube. You can find out copyright free music from your channel only. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting with this, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for new videos. See. First, you need to log in with your account. After that, just click on this grid and go to your YouTube channel. Here is YouTube homepage. Just go to your videos. So here you will get your channel content and all information. See, after your profile picture, here is a different option: dashboard, content, playlist, analytics. So scroll down and at the end you will get audio library. Just click on audio library. So here you will get number of music. You can use this music as a background. You can create a video by using this music. So see, here is 1836 music files available. Here is a different categories of music. If you want to search for educational video, just type here educational. So here you will get only some videos. Okay, this is a filter. Okay, if you want happy music, then just type happy. So you will get these videos: happy, calm, romantic, and all. Okay, you can search like this. You can search according to mood, according to artist, according to durations. Okay, you can check it. How to download this? Suppose I want to check first. So just click here and you can check. See, here is video. 2.41 audio duration. Here is a speaker. You can change the timing. You can check it. And here is the option. Okay, here is the option to download this. Just we will pause this. See, pause this video. If you want to download, just click on the download to download this audio track. If you want to check for the more, just scroll. If you want to check for this, just click on this. Yes, I like this. Okay, so just click on a download. Just click here. So now see, here is a download in process. So by using this audio library, you can take the any audio, you can take the any music for your videos. You can use this music as a background in your YouTube videos. These are the copyright free music. You can easily use this. Thank you very much. Use this audio library for background music and avoid the copyright claim. Thank you.